Hello and welcome to this first video tutorial. Basically, I'm going to show you today how to use the line command. Okay, so first thing we do is we go up to here and we choose line. Okay, that's done. And now it says in that little blue dialog box next to the cursor, it says specify first point. Okay, so we want our first point to be, let's just say, here. There we go. And I've actually turned on right down the bottom of the screen. I'll just get out of this actually. Right down the bottom of the screen, I've turned on Snap and Ortho. These are just make it a little bit easier when you're drawing. Ortho makes it a little bit easier when you're drawing 90 degrees because it only lets you move in. I'll show you in vertical or horizontal directions, which makes it a lot easier. And the snap just lets it snap to grid at regular intervals instead of being like 473, it's 470 or 480, etc. Okay, so now let's get down to drawing our square. So we've clicked on the point where we want it to start, and now I'll just drag it in the vertical direction because that's the way I want to go to start it off. And we'll make this 500, so I'll just type in 500 and you can see it go into that little box there, and I'll hit enter. Okay, so if I move over this way, it's drawn a 500 long line. Okay, so I want it to go 500 this way as well, so I'll just type in 500, hit enter. Okay, I want it to go 500 in this way as well, so 500. And now that we've got three sides of the square drawn, we can actually either go over with the cursor and close it manually, like that, and just click there, or we can just type C and enter, and it will close it for us. Okay, now that square is a little bit small on our screen, so we want to zoom in. So we type Z, enter for zoom, and E for extents, enter, and it zooms in to the extents of the square. Okay, I will encourage you to have a bit of a play around on AutoCAD. It's not that hard. A lot of people say that the interface is extremely hard to understand, and it is a little bit confusing, but once you have a bit of a play, you should get to understand it a little bit. And the next video tutorial will be out tomorrow, and it will show you the offset command, which is this one here. And yeah, that's it. Head over to the site for some more video tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.